Hi, this is Lauren from LSP Actions, and in this short video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can use the LSP Signature Newborn Photoshop Action Suite to remove this temporary flaky skin from baby. And you can watch the complete other tutorials where I go into much more detail about skin editing. And using the skin retouch brushes here, the Skim Pro Gentle Perfection Extreme, Patchy Skin, Peely Wrists and Ankles, they all do it for you, but this video tutorial is specifically for the manual Remove Flakes action. This image is straight out of camera, shot by Anna Brandt. But let me first show you Skim Pro Perfection before I go on to the manual flakes remover, because you may be tempted to dive straight into that, but really this action, more often than not, will do it for you. So you literally play it and you can rub this over the flakes and they disappear. It's like a little exfoliator. It keeps the integrity of the skin, it keeps everything intact, keeps all the details there. Just make sure you don't rub over any hugely detailed areas like the eyelashes, because it will remove those too. The action is clever, but it's not that clever. It can't quite tell the difference. So just make sure you don't. If you accidentally do, you can simply hit X on your keyboard or the little brush thing here, and you can paint this away from any areas you do not wish it to show. White means show and black means hide. So let me just get rid of those flakes there. So really, in most cases, when it comes to removing flaky skin areas, the action will do it for you. But you may find you wish to do it manually, set your own parameters, or you might find there's some areas that you need to go in a little bit heavier and a little bit stronger. And if that's the case, you can use the Remove Flakes manual. That's all the way down here on the part 2, the manual editing section, which is included within the Signature Newborn Photoshop Actions. Remove Flakes manual. So you have instructions here if you need to read them. And now we have Remove Flakes manual pops up. A pop-up box for dust and scratches will appear. You slide both sliders all the way to the left so they're off. Slowly inch the radius up 1 point at a time until you see the spots and things, the flakes and things like that disappearing. So let's just start inching up. And I think they're gone. Now onto threshold, start inching this one up 1 point at a time until you see them start to come back. So we can keep going and going. You will notice if you go too high, you may get some weird texture to the skin, so you might want to take that down a little bit there until you're happy and hit OK. The action will play out. Grab a brush, 100% pasty, and you can use this to paint the flakes away. It's great for smaller specific areas. It's great if you want to keep complete control over your edit, but you don't want to be spending your entire editing time clicking buttons, because really, time is money. If you can save time shooting, even if it's 3 or 4 hours a week editing, then you can put that time into shooting or spending it on your business instead. So you do want to do the fastest way around this whilst keeping that skin integrity. But that is how to use the Remove Flakes manual action here. You turn that one on or off with your own parameters. And again, it's a layer mask is selected for you. It doesn't alter your original background image. You can switch to a black brush to hide the effect from any areas and back to white to paint it on again. And that's part of the LSP Signature Newborn Photoshop Action Suite, available at www.lsp-actions.com. I'm Lauren, thanks for watching.